In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event registration page on Squarespace using a third-party service. This process will involve using the Elfsight platform, which offers a variety of customizable widgets to enhance your website's functionality, including an easy-to-use form builder perfect for creating registration forms. So, let's dive in and walk through each step to ensure you have a beautifully crafted event registration page by the end of this guide. Let's begin by visiting the Elfsight website. Elfsight is a platform that provides a range of widgets designed to integrate seamlessly with your website, making it easier to add complex functionalities easily. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Widgets section. You'll see a variety of options, but for today, our focus will be on Forms. Select this option, as it will lead us to a tool that allows you to create personalized registration forms for your event. Once you've clicked on Forms, find the Form Builder option. This tool is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, offering a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the process of crafting a form tailored to your event's needs. Click Create Widget for free to start. You'll be prompted to choose a template. These templates are pre-designed to meet different needs and are completely customizable, so pick one that closely aligns with your vision for the registration page. After selecting your template, click Continue with this template. This step allows you to start customizing the template to better fit the specifics of your event, such as field names, required information, and design elements. Once satisfied with your form, click Add to Website for free. Now, it's time to make it live, so go ahead and click Publish. After this, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Click Select under the free plan, which is great for getting started without any upfront cost. At this point, your customized code is generated. Simply click Copy Code. This code is what you'll use to embed the form into your Squarespace website. Next, open your Squarespace dashboard and select the page where you want the registration form to appear. Click Add Block and then choose Embed. When you see the embed box, double-click it to bring up the code snippet interface. Paste your copied code into this box and click Embed Data. And there you have it. You've successfully added a functional and attractive event registration page to your Squarespace website. This straightforward process not only saves time, but also enhances your site's interactivity and user engagement. Remember, an eye-catching and easy-to-navigate registration page is essential for maximizing participation in your event. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and until next time, happy website building.